What do you do when you lose something? Listen to this story and learn how to use tag questions for negative statements in the simple present and past. Yesterday, my friend lost her phone.
Hi, Anne. You didn't see my phone on campus today, did you? I lost it.
I'm sorry, but I didn't. You didn't leave it at home, did you?
No, I remember bringing it here. You don't have time to help me find it before class, do you?
I do have time. My classes start later today. I'll help you find it.
Thanks.
So what are tag questions? Tag questions are short questions that we put at the end of a statement. We use tag questions when we want someone to confirm or agree with something that we think is true. In tag questions in the simple present, we use do or does plus the subject. She doesn't have time, does she? In tag questions in the simple past, we use did plus the subject. You didn't see my phone, did you? When a statement is negative, its tag question is positive. You didn't forget your phone, did you? Here are some more examples. You don't take the bus to work, do you?
No, I walk.
You didn't go to the party, did you?
I didn't. I didn't have time to go.
Now it's your turn. Click pause and add a tag question to each of the following statements. This is American English. Thank you for watching.